Hi guys, today we are going to make our second project in App Lab. Okay, so first we always design our theme of how we want our project to be. What if we choose one of these themes over here? I'll choose peachy. So you can choose any theme you want, and then we add our elements to our screen. First, let's put a label. You have to write something in this label, so you have to go over to the properties of the label and type on text. It's right under the ID, and write whatever you want to write inside, but in our project we'll be needing to write enter your birth year. I think it's not in the middle. We should definitely change its position. Let's drag this in the middle of our screen, but on the top middle of our screen. And now we will be using text input. We put this text input over there, and then we drag a button in our code. This button we'll write. On this button we'll be writing find out, so that we find out our age if we forgot it. Obviously that's not that possible, but still. Now we drag a text area. So when we enter our birth year in this and press find out, so it will be written right, our age will be written in this text area. Now we go to our coding part. Now let's add our event to our code, because event is like the starting of our code. So on event when button 1 click, because this is our button. You can even name your button. And then we go to set property block. That will be found near the bottom of our section. We put it here and we put text area instead. Text area 1. We put width to text by pressing this arrow and choosing the text. Now we'll be going to math. We have to look for the subtract block that will be below add. We will put it over here, and over here, as the year is 2026, so we will write 2026. There we go. Now let's go to UI controls and get text property. We would find it get property. Yes, that's the block, and then we'll drag it in the other corner of our subtract block. Instead of ID, we put text input, and instead of width, as always, text, not width. And now let's try to run our code once. We run it, enter our birth year, mine 2015, then find out. That shows that I'm 11, but I think that this writing is too small. Let's go to design, press this text area, and font size over here. Let's put it to 24. Now let's try again. There, now the size is bigger. Make your project and share us your details. See you next time. Bye.